Understanding the Krebs Cycle. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cellular energy production with a closer look at the Krebs cycle. Don't worry if you're not a science whiz. I'll make sure you grasp the basics. Meet the Krebs cycle. Imagine our cells as tiny powerhouses that need energy to keep us going. Just like we need fuel for our cars, our cells need energy to function properly. And that's where the Krebs cycle comes in. Think of it as an energy factory inside our cells. Now, let's meet our star players, the molecules called glucose, which come from the food we eat. Glucose enters our cells and goes through a series of transformations to release its energy. The Krebs cycle takes place in the mitochondria, the cell's energy factories. The dance of molecules. Picture this. Molecules in the Krebs cycle are like dancers performing a choreographed routine. Acetyl-CoA, a molecule derived from glucose, enters the cycle, kick-starting the action. The molecules start changing, and with each step, they release energy. Energy production. The magic of the Krebs cycle is that it generates energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ATP is like a tiny battery that cells use to power themselves. As the molecules dance through the cycle, they produce ATP, which is then sent out to power various cell activities. Recycling and renewal. But the Krebs cycle is smart. It's not just about energy production. It also recycles certain molecules, like NAD+ and FAD, which are like helpers in the energy-producing process. These molecules get transformed and sent back into the cycle to keep things running smoothly. Waste not, want not. Just like any factory, the Krebs cycle also produces waste in the form of carbon dioxide. Remember how we exhale carbon dioxide when we breathe? Well, that's a result of this cycle. Our bodies get rid of the waste, and the cycle continues to generate energy. Wrapping it up. And there you have it. The Krebs cycle, our cellular energy factory. It takes glucose from our food, turns it into energy-rich molecules, and helps power our cells. So, next time you enjoy a meal, remember that this incredible cycle is working hard inside your cells to keep you going. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the Krebs cycle. Remember, medical science might seem complex, but breaking it down into simple explanations can make it a whole lot more understandable. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time on Making Medical Simple.